The following clip contains a video introduction and interview of the upcoming youngest member and judge of Indian Kennel League, Ashmita Datta.
Hello everyone, my name is Ashmita Datta. I'm a grade 11 student at DPS East Bangalore and I currently live in Bangalore but I hail from Kolkata, West Bengal. So today I'm going to be sharing with you my dog handling journey, my dog training and what my passion stands for. So when I started dog handling, I was around 9 years old and it was the year 2015. So my family and I went to Kerala for the FCI International Dog Show and I entered as a participant just because I wanted to have fun. It was not a very serious deal for me. But then later on when the practice and the competition started, I went from top 10 to top 5 and then to top 2 and finally I was awarded the best junior handler in the show. And since then, I've never looked back and I've continued this passion of mine. So after I did my junior handling competition at Kerala, I went on to do my first ever show at Mysore. There I handled among a lot of senior handlers and I got the best of breed, I got the best in group and then I was also selected for the lineup. My Pomeranian Piku got 8th best in show in that dog show and since then I started competing at various dog shows across South India. So my family and I, we've always been completely in love with dogs. I've seen my father since like a really young age. He has been handling dogs. He has been so passionate about this entire topic so that it was kind of passed on to me. My family are so supportive of this entire thing and they are truly my inspiration. So that is how I got into dog handling in the first place. Even though dog handling isn't something which we see a lot in India, but still they kept on motivating me to do this. My father and I joined IKL in 2021 when Surya uncle approached my father and I and he told us about this vision that he had about the Indian Kennel League and how it would proceed to not only conduct shows all around India but also help in the betterment of dogs all around the world. So that is what inspired my dad and I and we joined this kennel club. Surya uncle's vision was so inspiring that not only should we handle dogs and promote this dog handling, but we should also try to legalize puppy mills or whatever cruelties is happening against dogs. That should also be taken into consideration and dog handling should become something which is both competitive and fun at the same time. So that is what attracted me the most. So that there's still a very, very long way to go to winning something and getting awards. But if I have to recollect all the awards that I've gotten, there were multiple best of breeds, reserve best of breeds, best in groups, reserve best in groups, multiple lineups. My dogs and I have gotten 7 best in show, 6 best in show, 8 best in show, and finally we did get best in show in one of the awards, 4th best in show. After that, I have gotten multiple best junior handler awards, best lady handler awards, and in the Mangalore Canal Club show in 2019, I had gotten the best handler award in the entire show. And these are just few of my awards that I've gotten till now. If I'm going to talk about my entire journey of dog handling, I have to mention my greatest, not achievement, but something which was very proud for me, which was winning the best in show at Silicon City Canine Club. That day when our number, Piku and our number 116 was announced, it was such a happy and proud moment for me because I felt like I'd somewhere made my parents proud. Besides that, I think my journey has just started since I want to see dog handling representation of India at the international level as well. And one day I want to represent India at various international dog shows like Crufts, Westminster. I also am extremely passionate about animal healthcare. So my dream in life is to be a veterinary doctor, and that's why I'm a NEET aspirant currently. Overall, I just want to see in the next 10 to 15 years that animal care in India has reached greater heights, and that we have done something for not only domestic animals but for also street animals and Indian breed animals in India, and that is what I think is my goal and dream. So thank you all for listening to me, and thank you especially to Surya uncle for giving me this opportunity. So when I heard that Surya sir had given me the opportunity of being the youngest judge of IKIL, I was extremely honored, and I just can't wait to learn things from him, from all the senior faculty members at IKIL, because there are so many great veterinary doctors, members, all these people who are so passionate about this industry. So I can't wait to learn and nurture this experience. So thank you so much for listening. So I haven't done judging till now, but I hope to learn more about this topic. I hope to not only do judging but also first garner experience about the entire process by being a ring steward or a waiting ring steward, and learn about the entire dog show process that goes on, so that not only can we have a competition in the dog ring, people all around the world can know how animals can be treated well, what kind of nutrition do they need. So all of that is promoted through Indian Kennel League as well, and that is what we all at IKIL strive to achieve. Opportunity to thank the Indian Kennel Club judge Parthashekhar uncle. He had taken an interview of me for his channel, and I think that really gave me a huge platform to reach breeders, handlers, trainers all around the world. So I must thank him, and I have personally seen his channel grow, and I suggest all of you to give a view to his channel, subscribe to him, and like and share all of his content because it's really informative and great.